go to find a place in the sun. So many people locked up inside their dreams, hoping that they are the ones. You talk to them in the streets, but they just pass you by, romanticizing fantasies, filling their lonely mind.
Uthando Luphelile, Uthando Luphelile, Uthando Luphelile, Uthando Luphelile. She's a very special agent,
and she's on their side. She infiltrates your desire and blows you open wide. She's a bourgeois bogey woman, repressed in the brain. And when they see that they are losing you, they set it free to hide the pain. She walks down the convolutions of your cerebellum and tickles the right hemisphere with an electric tongue. She will wiggle a besom, she will tense and tie, and you will follow like a doggy. You will buzz round her like a fly, pounding libidinal juices rush down your spine. But you will never get to hold that woman, 'cause she's a phantom in your mind.
Uthando Luphelile, Uthando Luphelile.
I seen her in the disco club, busting out all over, looking for a lover man, 'cause she's lonely too. You can only hope and dream to be near her, but you must never touch her body, 'cause she will just disappear.
Uthando Luphelile, Uthando Luphelile, Uthando Luphelile, Uthando Luphelile.
They will buy up all your problems and sell them back to you in hermetically sealed fantasy, so that you never see through the meaning of tomorrow, the meaning of today, the meaning of that nowhereness that haunts your brain.
Uthando Luphelile.